If you want to edit photos on iPhone 17e, first of all, we need to open the Photos app. Now, once you open the library of your photos, of course, we need to choose the photo that you wish to edit. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. In order to start editing, you can use this button that we have at the bottom of the screen, this button with 3 sliders. So once we go over here, you should be able to find your first options. Like, for example, we have some adjustments. We can automatically adjust our photo. We can choose the exposure, brilliance, highlights, and so on and so forth. And of course, we can move left and right on these sliders in order to adjust these parameters. We can also go to filters in order to find some example filters that we can go through. We can also crop our photo, and we have a cleanup tool as well. Besides that, in the upper right corner, we have the markup tool that you can use in order to draw something on your photo if needed. And if you tap on these 3 dots, then as you can see here, we can even save as a duplicate. You can go to appearance to, well, this is actually to adjust the appearance for the app itself. And even, for example, if you take a photo of a face and you spot red eyes, then you should be able to remove them as well. So that's pretty cool. You can also tap brush or circle what you want to remove. So if you have something that you want to get rid of from your photo, then you should be able to select it. So this is the removing tool. And I actually need to select a smaller area. So let's do this. There we go. And let's see if it's going to work. There we go. And in this case, it has been removed. So of course, once you are done, we can tap on a done in the upper right corner in order to save your photo, or you can tap on the 3 dots and you can save as a duplicate in order to keep the original photo. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.